is done. Push the fish aside to let the oil to render. Look at how beautiful the color. Look at this.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today what you are looking at is a fish cutlet taken out from 7 kg. Yes, you didn't listen wrongly. It is a 7 kg wild barramundi, siakap. Yeah, which is also called siakap in Bahasa. So I never tried this size before. It has always been my favorite. Any wild siakap which is above 3 kg, you must give it a try. It doesn't taste the same as the normal those below 1 kg siakap that you normally find from the market. Those above 3 kg taste superb, especially the skin. After you deep fry it, pan fry it, it is super crispy like keropok. Seriously, very very nice, yeah, and super fragrant. And this one is taken out from a 7 kg one, the biggest one I've ever bought. But I did not buy the whole fish. Usually 3 kg one I buy the whole fish, but this 7 kg I only buy 2 cutlets. Quite not cheap actually, to be honest. This piece itself, I think it's 20 over ringgit. But yeah, it's a heavy piece here. So I'm going to pan fry it and see whether I want to make some simple dipping sauce later. So before we pan fry, you want to give it a bit of seasoning, yeah? Give it some salt. And if there's some excessive water, you can use a kitchen towel to wipe it dry, yeah? Then it will not, the oil will not splatter. So next thing, get ready some good amount of oil and heat up until smoking point, meaning you will start seeing smoke coming out from the oil itself. Not from the wok, it's from the oil itself, which is at least telling you reaching 180 degrees Celsius and above. That is the kind of temperature you wanted for your oil before you put in the fish, so that your fish will not stick so easily. Not sure if you can see the smoke coming out from the oil today. Can you see the oil smoke? Yeah. This is the smoking point we wanted. Slowly use a long spatula to help you to put in the fish. Then faster you run away. Like what I did. Appa is using a wireless mic so I can run as far as I wanted. Meanwhile, I'll prepare a bigger plate and also some kitchen towel. Alright, so next thing, once the fish is in the oil, don't touch it too much. Yeah, don't flip it too much. Let it fry for at least about 1.5 to 2 minutes before you flip it onto the other side. For those who wanted to know what kind of oil Appa is using, I'm using the palm oil. Usually palm oil has few characteristics. Number one, it is cheap. Yeah, this is very important because we use quite a lot of oil to deep fry. Number two, palm oil can tahan high temperature. So when you palm oil actually has a higher smoking point. So this will actually make sure your deep frying process can be done more efficiently. And number three, palm oil is more stable, meaning when it becomes hot, it can remain hot for a long time, which is important for deep frying. This is after about 1 minute plus, you can start seeing the edges started to become brownish. That's the kind of effect we are looking for. So this is after approximately 2 minutes. You can carefully flip the fish over, the cutlet, yeah. And we shall give the other side another 2 minutes. Don't disturb it. See, the thing about using induction hob is that I always have a timer to help me. That makes my cooking life much easier. Wow, I wish you all can smell this. The fish now, the fragrance from the fish really releases right now, and it is super fragrant. Now, after about 4 or 5 minutes, the fish will be fully cooked. But what I really want to do is to make a very nice char over the fish and to make the fish, the skin become crispy. So you want to use medium-high heat all the way. So this is after another 2 minutes. Like I mentioned, I want to create the char and the crispy skin. So we're going to flip it one more round. Ah. I'm getting about 70% of what I wanted. This part still a bit whitish. I will fry that part a bit later. Now the other side, I just wanted to get this kind of nice char and crispy I wanted, and you can imagine how nice this fish is going to taste. A lot of people like to put in a white pepper on the fish before they fry. Somehow or rather, I don't know why. Every time when I put white pepper beforehand, the fish will tend to stick. Yeah, but of course lah, today I'm using a non-stick lah. All right. Oh, right. I'm already getting the kind of beautiful golden brown color I wanted on this side. So I'm just going to give another side another about 30-40 seconds and it is all done. Too much, the temperature is a bit too high. I saw too much smoke coming out, so I'm reducing the heat a little bit, yeah. Total frying time for this fish cutlet, approximately 6 minutes. Oh, oh, super fragrant. You know, later the fish skin is going to taste even better than the meat. Oh, really nice. This is really nice. This is so nice, so nice. Okay. Okay, it's done. Push the fish aside to let the oil to render. Look at how beautiful the color. Look at this. Look at this. I'm not even using stainless steel wok and I'm still getting this beautiful brownish golden color. Let me off the heat. And I shall put the fish over to the oil absorbing paper at the side. Look at how beautiful this fish is. And like I said, you must try the fish skin. Seriously, it tastes so good. And it is super fragrant right now. I'm going to eat it with some chili padi and light soya sauce dipping sauce. So, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel.